It's 10, 11 years I've carried out over 30 projects with TapcoSlate.
With our house, Emma and I wanted to achieve something that was as eco-friendly as we could make it. So because of that, we decided we want to try and maximise the solar capacity on our roof.
TapcoSlate was ideal for this roof, mainly due to its size, for fitting them around the solar panels. And with the location of this house, with the high winds, TapcoSlate wind resistance makes it an ideal choice.
With the solar panels, we've got about 10 kilowatts of generating capacity, which means that over the course of the year, we've saved about 6,000 kilowatt hours of energy.
The first project we'd installed TapcoSlate with solar panels. TapcoSlate's easier to slate than natural slate, so this roof didn't really pose any challenges at all.
Ricky was really keen to make sure we got the product we wanted and what we needed, so he actually invited us over to see his work and show us different colours to make sure we were picking the right colour mix as well. A great job from Ricky.
It's been nice to come back after a year and see more progress on the house. I'm really pleased with the job that me and my lads has done, and everyone's looking really fantastic.